Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you some fun thrift store flips for summer. I found this really cute jewelry box. It has 3 drawers in it. It was fairly decent looking inside, and it even came with key, which is nice. Anyway, it had a few marks on it. It had a few spots here and there, and on the top it had a watermark where somebody had left a cup. So I'm just going to paint this cute little piece. I haven't decided what color yet, but I just thought it needed to be a little refresh because of how the handles are in the drawers. There's no screws there. They're behind the felt to take the handles off. So I'm just going to go ahead and paint those with it in. So I wiped this down with just a disinfectant wipe. Went through, I've already done it, I've already gone through and wiped it all down just to make sure everything was clean. I painted a similar dresser to this shape before, and I painted it in black velvet, so that's what color I chose to go with. At this point, I was putting on my second coat, alternating sandy blonde and faded burlap. Once it dried, I decided that I wasn't happy with that color, and I put on a third coat of prairie gray. I wet distressed with a spray bottle and water and a baby wipe, and then I finished with a top coat. So for my next project, I chose this. It's a silverware box. I don't know what it is about boxes. I just love boxes. Every time I find some sort of box, I pick it up and bring it home with me. I don't know if it's the fact that they hold stuff and you can get organized or what the reasoning is, but I love boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the insides. It's usually velvet wrapped in some sort of cardboard. It's usually not difficult to take out. Just takes a little elbow grease. I have my box all prepped and finished. I got the inside all nice and clean. Got all the innards out, took it out in the shop and used my orbital sander and sanded down the inside. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the inside yet, but got some time to think about it. I'm going to go ahead and stay with my theme of colors, and I'm going to use some prairie gray as my base coat, and then I'm going to top it with petticoat pink. And then I'm going to use a Prima transfer over the top of the pink. DIY paint is a highly pigmented, thick, clay-based paint with no odor. After I finished putting on the transfer, I added a second coat of top coat. For my third project, I decided to redo this cute bench. It had some bad caning, so I decided to replace it with a cushion. I wiped it down well to make sure it was nice and clean to take the paint. I did 2 coats of white swan and then a top coat. I cut a rectangle piece of plywood for the base and had to cut notches in the corners to go around the posts. I laid my wood base on a 2-inch piece of foam. I traced it out and then cut it with an electric carving knife. If you choose to use this option, please be careful. I laid the 2-inch foam and the wood base on top of some cotton batting and stapled that down before I started adding my fabric.
Waiting for your sorrow to land on me. And I've been waiting for the future.
I trimmed a lot of the extra fabric off before I started in working on stapling down the corners.
And I've been wishing for your laughter to land on me. Lay your trust, your burden. Lay your hope on me. Yeah. Take this love that I got. If you want it. And I've been waiting.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful today for any of your DIY upcycling projects. If you liked it, please be sure to give it the thumbs up. If you would like to see more of my videos, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. You will find a link below for all the paint and transfers used in today's video.